Well, when I was going through school, I weren't really sure on what I wanted to do at that stage.
Before I had the intention of going to college and university, I saw, I think, an advert in the paper.
I'd heard that Fort Vale has a good apprenticeship scheme. They're well known for that.
I did my work experience here and I realised it was a really nice place to work. I've been to a few other companies looking round whilst I was looking for an apprenticeship, and they didn't really compare.
It didn't take long at all for me to feel settled in with the company and get familiar with different employees and managers.
The first thing I enjoy about working here is the people who I work with on the shop. So it's quite a friendly environment. There's quite a lot of rapport between the people on the shop floor.
I realised that even when I was here on work experience, when I didn't know anybody, everyone's really welcoming and friendly. Everyone's there to help.
I think the open door policy from management's one that's very useful. You're never scared to ask questions or go and seek help when you need it.
You always have opportunities to progress your career, which is another great advantage. You get recognised and rewarded. If you do any good work, there's always people to praise you. It's quite nice to have a big manager come down and have a conversation with you. It don't feel like a boss, it feels like a work colleague.
Since I've learnt so much, and you learn more every day with the different variety of jobs that we get to do. We go around the company, we see different things.
I started my apprenticeship on a machining apprenticeship and I'm now in the nuclear division doing inspecting.
The chance they give you to expand your knowledge set, so your HNDs, your HNCs, the possibility of degrees, the training that they give you, the training here is second to none.
At the end of my apprenticeship, I'll be able to work in any areas of the accounts department at Fort Vale, and then that's when I can progress onto another professional qualification. So there's a lot more scope than people think.
Typically people picture it as somewhere that's a bit oily and a bit dark and gloomy, but it's not like that here.
You always have a sense of pride with Fort Vale. It's, as you can see when you drive past, it's just enormous. The building looks great. As soon as you come in, it's modern, clean, all the technology is really up to date.
And they look after you as well. So like we've got the new sports hub. It's got 4 badminton courts, a gym. I will be using it, mainly for the badminton. I have a bit of a rivalry with one of the lads on the shop floor who we have quite decent games against. Obviously it makes us feel good that we're getting this sort of stuff provided for us.
When I started foundry apprentice, I worked my way up from the shop floor. 5-6 years ago, I became a foundry manager.
I feel like I've got a much more structured job, and now I feel like I know where I'm going in life.
Well, I've come a lot further than I ever thought I would have done.
Gaining experience whilst you're learning and getting them qualifications is really important in today's labour market.
You're getting the training, you're getting the qualifications as well as getting paid. Coming to Fort Vale was definitely one of the best decisions I ever made.